Hey folks, so I needed to order a bike lock the other for, well, reasons. And I was originally hoping just to get a chain, but by the time I went around to getting one, those no longer seemed to be available from where I got this, and I had to order other things, so this was only a few bucks more with a lock. So it's a master lock, 716D, 3 feet, only 0.9 millimeters thick, which is too bad. Oh, 0.9 meters. Okay, yeah. Never mind. Oh, it's only 5. Oh, it's 5 millimeters thick. That makes so much more sense. Okay. So, I figured I would try to pick this out of the box and just see how much protection it actually offers, because I was originally thinking I would just use the chain with a different lock. And the more I look at this thing, the more I think I'm going to do that, but we'll see. So we got a master lock, number 7. This thing is tiny. Part of the problem with buying stuff online is you never actually know what your things are going to look like. So let's give this a quick pick and see how long it takes to get it open. I'll grab the Schwick to start out with, see if that helps. Okay, so thicker tension bar won't fit. Smaller one will. Also going to take out the other tensioners because that makes it easier to hold this thing. So I want to see real quick if this bottom of the keyway tensioner fits. It does. I think I'm going to stick with that actually. Let's see just how quickly I can get this open, or if I'm going to get incredibly embarrassed because I'm trying to do an out of the package picking. Okay. Let's try not to look at the key too much. Oh yes, as with most master locks, I get little to no feedback. Okay, so that's not working. And I'm sure I'll be able to single pin pick this at some point. A little out of practice. Actually, I haven't done much picking for the last few days. I've been quite busy, although it feels like it's mostly set. Oh, okay, it's overset. Let's grab a rig. Okay, so I gotta open them all up. Let's use the smaller. Of the 2 wave rigs on the Schwick. Is this the smaller one? I could just grab the bigger one. Oh yeah, no it is. Okay. Got it right the first time. course, this is a really tiny keyway. Oh. Okay, well. Yeah. Unsurprisingly, it's very breakable. So that's good to know. Now. Still want to try to SPP this one more time. So let's grab the half diamonds. This might not be the best half diamond for this block. Yes. Okay. I'm not risking breaking that in this thing. I am going to risk breaking this one, though. It's got my homemade diamonds, in case you can't tell. Also, I'm going to test to verify that this chain is indeed hardened steel, but I will probably only post another video about that. I'll post a follow-up if it's not. Pretty sure it will be. Master Lock does build tough locks. They're just usually pretty pickable. And honestly, this... Good grief, why can't I pick anything today? Well, I got a rake to open. Key thing is, anybody with a rake can get this open in a, well, I think it's slightly longer to use a rake than it is to, no, I ain't getting the key in. Okay. Key. Open. The rake, you take the rake out. Although, admittedly, if I was to steal something, I'd have it ready. Of course, I wouldn't steal anything. The whole idea is I don't want something getting stolen. But I want to make sure that what I'm using isn't just a piece of junk. Okay, so... Getting longer this time. Really feel like I'm moving this in the wrong way. Okay, great. Let's grab a rake I have multiples of, and I do not think I'm going to break. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it takes longer to open it with a rake than a key, but not much. So, yeah, probably going to either use this Master Lock or a... Largely because this is a beefier one. The main thing when it comes to someone stealing something is whether or not they can easily cut it off. And it's also basically going to be used with a bike that I don't want it to be the low-hanging fruit. So, yeah, if you're interested in knowing more about whether or not this is actually hardened steel, and this is actually 3 feet, that's cute. Post something in the comments section. Also, while this video probably is nowhere near my best, YouTube really doesn't appear to be... YouTube isn't sending out notifications to most of the people subscribed to my channel, from what I've been told by friends. So if for some reason you know someone who might want to watch this video, please share it with them. Thanks, folks, and have a good day. Bye. Fun update, folks. Looks like I'm going to have to try to return this because, well, hopefully you can see that, because I can't actually see what's going on with the camera right now because it's not working. But, yeah, well, we'll have to see what the store's return policy is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.